Hello and welcome once again to the AI Academy. In our previous video, we introduced you to our everyday AI companion, Microsoft Copilot, and how it is built right into Windows 11. That's not the only place you could access your helpful assistant, because Copilot is also built into Microsoft Edge. So you can get the answers you want faster and easier than ever. Let's take a look. While searching the web is a staple of how we navigate the internet today, it can still take time and effort to get what you need or what you want. With Copilot built into Microsoft Edge, you can now get those answers faster while staying on the website you want, saving you time. You can find the Copilot button in the top right of Microsoft Edge at the end of your address bar and settings buttons. Selecting Copilot opens the chat pane, which is very similar to Copilot on the desktop. Now this includes the conversation styles, recent activity, and plugins shown in our previous video. By the way, the recent activity area does retain your chat history from the desktop and the Copilot app, as long as you're signed in with the same Microsoft account. So you can pick up a conversation in a different place. Very helpful. Now, Copilot in Microsoft Edge contains two unique areas not found on the desktop: Compose and Insights. Now, Compose is all about writing. It includes prompts to modify the tone, the format, and length of whatever you're looking to write. A blog post, lengthy email, all sorts of options. Just like with a regular Copilot conversation, you can revise your prompt and continue like a conversation. Insights gives you data about the website you're currently on with Copilot open, like ratings and global stats, stuff like that. You can also see recommended links to continue exploring new and related topics. All right, enough about what Copilot in Edge is. One of the most time-consuming aspects of writing a document like a research paper is collecting all the relevant information. Now, Copilot streams this process by helping you find articles, documents, and academic sources. Either by typing or with your voice, let's ask Copilot the following. I need to write a paper on rock formations. Can you provide credible sources on this subject published in the last decade? This gives not only the goal of my prompt, but context and expectations as well. Let's now take what Copilot found and move to the Compose tab. I'm going to add my own tone research paper and select a link to get Copilot to generate a first draft. Now I can move this initial draft into an app like Word to move into the real writing phase and use the sources in Edge to continue my research. So much better than starting from a blank screen with zero sources. Planning anything can be very time-consuming and stressful, whether it's a vacation for the family, loved one's birthday party, or a work trip. So many elements needed to coordinate. And it doesn't help that the internet is such a big place to navigate. Why not let Copilot help us put all the pieces together? Let's start with our request. Help me organize my 7-year-old's birthday party in August in Queensland. She wants to have a magician, and the party needs to be in a unicorn theme. Here are all of Copilot's recommendations. It's easy for me to ask follow-up questions or explore the recommendations further, since Copilot provides sources for all of its information. Let's ask Copilot to format this information into a table. Now, this is an easy to digest table that I can send to friends or family to get this party ready. Sometimes you just need information fast. Maybe it's a news article that you need for your next meeting, the latest sports scores, or a how-to video for some do-it-yourself home repair. Simply ask Copilot in Microsoft Edge to summarize a web page, an article, even a video. Here's the video from a channel I follow that will help me understand a new tool I got from the hardware store. I just want the gist of the video rather than watching the whole thing. I don't really have much time. Let's ask Copilot to summarize the video. Now, isn't that amazing? Everything I need in a timely and efficient manner, all thanks to my helpful AI companion built right into the browser. With Copilot across the Microsoft ecosystem, including built into Microsoft Edge, you can save time and get the answers you need to spend less time stressing and more time on what's important. But we're not done with all the different places you can find Copilot. In the next AI Academy video, we'll show you how you can get a similar experience in the palm of your hand with the Copilot app on iOS and Android. See you next time.